Why are 70% of PCBs green? Is it just tradition or secret tech magic? Back in 1950s, green epoxy was cheap and tough. We stuck with it like duct tape. Green is the MVP for manufacturing. It loves UV light for precision etching and plays nice with inspection lasers. Try spotting a micro short on a black PCB? Good luck. For us repair folks, green is lifesaver. Solder points pop like neon signs. Black boards? It's like fixing circuits in a cave. Sure, we do rainbow colors for fancy gadgets. But next time you see green, it's the OG workhorse getting the job done. So yeah, green isn't just basic. It's the silent hero inside your devices. Now go appreciate that vintage tech vibe.